Good morning. This is the continuation of the shell program, whatever that we were doing, right? Uh, shall we begin now? Yamarashmi, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Right. Look into that. Yesterday, we were now, what I've done is, in the fourth program, whatever I have put it in a Google class, lot of exercises are there, right? We will do all these things. What you have to do is, you have to look into that, then open one more file called, here what I'm doing is try shell, and here I've kept it, this one. What I do is, I'll simply copy this and try to explain what is that we are doing in small thing right here, right this, right. I'll save this, right. Now look at that. I'm declaring a variable here name, and I'm initializing, putting the value Umakant, my name, in that. Then age equal to 52. Age is a variable equal to, this I'll put it right here. This is not a number, it is a string, right? College equal to SDM city Dharwad, all that things, all right, right? This what we have done. Echo is a command. Echo dollar name. When I say dollar name, it will print the value of, its value stored in the variable name. So here it represents Umakan, right? Is working in dollar college. College is SDM city Dharwad. So Umakant is working in SDM Dharwad. That's what is the output of this. You'll get it on the screen. Then echo name, right here, since dollar is not used, the name dollar name is a string as it is. It doesn't represent the value stored in the variable name. This is different, right? Hope you understand. Okay, just to distinguish that one, I put a dollar name here. Here you will get the value stored in the variable name. Okay, please try to know the difference in using dollar and without a dollar, right? Is that clear, Himarashmi?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's get into that. So what you'll be doing is, first thing after create, first time what you do is change mode, chmod plus, 7 other things are immaterial, right? Try shell, right? So you are changing, getting a execution privilege on this particular this thing, execute, right? Now if you look at ls minus l on this try shell, right, you will find that you got an execution permission, on this particular thing. So now you can try, right? So dot forward slash try sh shell, right? See, look at that. What is that? You got it. The Umakant is working in SDMCT Dharwad. Name as it is, because it is not a variable value of the variable stored in, value stored in the variable. Then does, right? I'll simply copy this, right click this, copy it. What is happened? Okay, right. And now you see here, right, this is the output. You got it. Umakant is working in SDMC Dharwad, name Umakant, right? That's all. Okay, this is a repetition, leave it, right? This is an output that you got it, right? What I was telling Manoj and other people, even Himarashmi, when you are doing that, okay, you should do like this, right? Okay, you can say, right, output for exercise 1, right? Then you can say exercise 1, right? Exercise 1, right here, you put it a comment, right? Okay, study the variables in shell programming. So this is exercise number 1. You do it, and output you put it here. Save it. Right? Then once again we will try. We'll see that one. Right? Try sh shell. Right? You got this. Understand that. And if any comment you wanted to put it, you can put the comment like the way I am putting it here, so that when you are reading this during examination, you can easily understand what is that you are doing. After doing this, right, what to do is you put a comment for all. You put the comment for all, whatever you have done, right? So that you will be studying only part of that. Yes, right? Put a line so that you will distinguish one from the other. Now again, right, you have exercise number 2, whatever that you want to do. Okay, leave one space. Exercise number 2, right, this. You try with this exercise, save it, so that next time output of exercise 1 you will not get on the screen, so that output is not a clumsy one, so that you can trace what you are doing when the file size grow, activity grow. That's what, for that purpose. Now what we'll do is next one we will take it. Variable are two types. One is user defined variable and system variables. All right, right? These are all system defined variables. Fine, right? Now what I'll do is I'll copy all these things, but in fact, you will be typing all those things there. You'll be typing. Okay, I want you to type. Yeah. Now, study of system defined variables. Right. Now I told you variables are two types. You can put some theory part also. User defined system variables. Look at that. Here echo log name system variable. These are all system variable. PS1, right? Right. The command prompt, whatever system prompt you get, what is that? Path. Okay. IFS. Okay. I have written here IFS internal field separator. Say sometimes the field separator is always by default blank space, right? It can be comma, it can be any other thing, right? Home, shell, term, all those things, right? So you are echoing that one and you are using dollar, right? With that dollar, okay, will print the value of that system variable. This, look at that. This is exercise number 2. You are doing all the things, seeing the output. After getting the output, again you comment it. I'll save this. I'll go to this. No compilation. Right? Here you get all these things, right? You need to dissect, see what all you are getting and all, right? On the screen, right? Just to tell you simple thing, I'll put one at a time and check it, what exactly you get on the screen. Right. I'll clear the screen. Try, shall, right? SDMCT, right? The username, okay, the log name is SDMCT, it prints that one. So similarly, you can try all the things, right? I'll put it, then I'll put home or the shell, which already you people, okay, have gone through. I'll remove this one, save it, and again try, right? This is the shell which already we have tried. So these are all system variables. This is called environment variables, which, okay, please go through the environment variables. Once you are done this, again put, okay, comment here, right? This is how you will be developing, right? Right here, exercise number 3, right? Here, description you are given for all these things, sample input, output you are writing also. What are written? Output. Output for exercise 2, right? Here, whatever you got it on the screen, take a okay, sample, okay, things on that sample, right? Oh, 1 minute. Right click it and copy it, right here, right, this is sample output. Not for all system variables. Okay, few system output for a sample. Okay, this is a sample output for exercise 2. Okay, you can very clear, right, few system variables, not all, like this. So when you read this, when you take print out, read it, that one, your examination preparation will be better. And also such a kind of document where if you prepare it, right, you can, during placement also you can quickly go through. Quickly you can go through, right? Himarashmi, Manoj, are you convinced with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Himarashmi, even org programming also will be doing it. Everything given in the textbook, you have to do like this, right? Everything. Okay,
Yes,
Manoj.
sir.
So it, after Deepavali holidays, I'll be asking you people, right? Anyhow, for Himarashmi and girls group, OC, when I talk about the OC, you'll be doing like this. But in advance, you can do it also. Who stops you? And Manoj, during Deepavali holidays, spend this one. All boys can participate and share your work with this one. You can refer internet, but whatever that is given in a book, every command. Uh, Manoj, look at that. Every command, ls,
Yes,
cat, okay, remove, all the things, okay, whatever that is there, okay, and shell programming. Shell programming exercise given there in the textbook, whatever given, type it as it is and check it, what happens. And whenever you are using any input file, first you have to give a sample input file, format, its content, and then a programming on that. Is that okay?
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So you will be developing like this, and when you are explaining in the class, what you do is, for example, you are explaining about this first time. Example one, a study of variables in shell programming. Right? You remove this comment, only this comment, exercise one, and run it short, right? And discuss with people. If everything is okay, again put the comment for this and go to exercise number two, uncomment this, explain. And it should include a problem statement, any theoretic problem statement here, look at this, right? Any supporting, okay, explanation that is required, and any supporting explanation here, right? Everything you write it, make it complete. People should not, okay, in confusion state or need to refer internet or book and all for want of additional information as far as this particular exercise is concerned. In that way, you have to make it complete. Are you clear about that?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the demonstration. This is the laboratory. I'll not be taking in full length, right? Um, right. You have complete, okay, things written here. Please go through what exactly it means. Self-study driven. Everything you have to do, right? Whatever that are given for the shell programming, completely it is there for IA number 2. Though I have written in the syllabus, though I have written the syllabus, right, part of this shell programming will go to the I number 3. But what we are doing is shell programming completely will keep it. Shell programming as well as filters. Chapter number, unit number 3, unit number 4, we will keep it completely for I number 2. Right? I number 3, it is compulsory for everyone. You cannot take an option. If you get good marks, I leave it. No. Why? I'll tell you. Right? You test yourself. It will help you for semester and exam. This is one thing. Second thing is, right, it will also forcibly, it force you to prepare so that the placement preparation automatically it happens. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Himarashmi, you can start, okay, for about the OC in Deepavali holidays only. Let the people join. Whenever I request all the girls, right, whenever you do a program, you SMS it to Himarashmi. She will put it in her, okay, report. Right? Right. And all exercise given in the textbook, you have to do it. And any additional things are given in the internet, you can refer and do it. Okay. Both of you keep it ready for shell boys, and the coordinator of that is Manoj. And for girls, right? Coordinator is, right, Himarashni. You people can, whatever you are done, share it, right? They will develop one full length shell programming, one full length org programming, and boys, you have additional thing, one full length document about the commands, Unix command. Okay, you list Unix command, its syntax, all possible options, and one example along with output. A table you can prepare. This is an assignment. Okay, during 3 days holidays, you all will be doing it. But Word file and a PDF submission will be done by Manoj for boys. It includes all Unix commands, right? Maybe head, maybe tail, maybe touch, maybe whatever that is there, right? Got it. Then, but first
Sir, we
you
have to do Unix commands and shell programming, right, sir?
both whatever given in the, okay, the textbook, the textbook, the first textbook, okay, Sumitaba Das, you'll be referring, red color. All commands and all shell programming example given in that book. Given in that book, I'm telling, please remember, it is important from examination perspective, semester end exam,
Sir.
right? And whatever you prepare, you submit it, that becomes your notes that you can refer. That's all. And
Yes,
that
sir.
will help you for exam. That will help you for even placement also. I told you that one few days back, just 2-3 days back in Informatica. People asked, I want to delete a file, but it should be interactive, like in Windows. Okay, tell me a command, rm minus I, right? How do you create an empty file? Okay, touch command. We have done it, no touch command. Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Then cat also you can use, via editor you can use, okay, this, right? Understood, right? And they asked finally in a HR and technical round, they asked name 25 Unix commands. Informatica company, which is offering 7 lakhs package. Got it? Right? So this is an important subject. I wanted, okay, Manoj, you can take one more coordinator also, right? One more number of people can join, right? See that well developed, okay, Word file report, you have to submit it. For command
Sure.
separately, for shell programming separately. For girls, it's org programming. All of you can try now only 3 days, even org programming, girls have to complete. Without I telling you people, it is also scripting language. Like a shell, it also has a scripting language. Right? Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, for org programming, when do we have to submit the PDF to you, sir?
You can take some time, but see that you keep it the things ready, okay, by Tuesday, right?
Okay, sir.
It is a mandatory for Manoj to prepare, and you also prepare. But after Manoj and his team, boys, they cover, then you will, okay, uh, give a presentation. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Anything else? Are you feeling comfortable now?
Sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. And are you feeling that it is important from placement perspective also?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And document whatever you prepare, don't you think that it helps all student also? That we will put it in our website. People can refer it. It's a when you want to prepare during 7th sem placement, you simply go through your own document once for just half an hour. You understand everything and be ready. Right? About Unix, you can understand everything. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Any question? Now we are heading towards the completion of syllabus also. Right? Tuesday, right? Tuesday 17th, right? 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21. In that week, we'll cover shell programming. Shell programming, who will cover? Who will cover? Who will cover? Manoj, who will cover?
I'll curse.
Huh? Who will take a class for shell programming?
Boys will take the class, sir.
Manoj will be taking class, supported by all boys.
Yes, sir.
Right? And once we do that, then we have a 25th onwards examination, I2. Then afterwards, likely that um, 30, the week number 14, 30th November, from that 30th November, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th December, in that week, org programming, Himarashmi will take, where all boys, all girls, they will be adding their exercises in that particular file, and is collectively Manoj and Himarashmi will present it. Right? I have a call. Okay, wait for that. I'm back here. Right? So is it okay? Shall I stop?
Sir,
Uh,
sir, some of them would also like to present, sir.
that is great. So what Himarashmi you can do is, you collect all their examples, put it there. Whenever their exercise comes, okay, they will be talking.
Yes, sir.
That will be better. Okay, it is a document is a collection of different exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Every exercise in you can say prepared by Himarashmi, prepared by somebody, prepared by Jay Shri, prepared by somebody. Right? You can do it. Right? So that when it comes, the concerned student will be presenting. That's a great. I really expected this to happen. Got it? That's a great. Right? It is a self-driven, so that you, and when you're talking, it is a preparation for the placement also, no? Okay, group discussions, you'll be presenting, I'll be asking question to you, you'll be answering, is it not?
Yes, sir.
That's a great. Even boys, right? Manoj, okay, in front of every exercise in problem statement, before problem statement begins, you can write a small letter prepared by so and so. So that those people will tell. If they remain absent on that day, coordinator will be telling. Himarashmi in case of girls, Manoj in case of boys.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is okay what we would like to do it, so that you remember, you can prepare for placement, you can do better. See, examination will be subset of what you have done it. Then getting 100 marks out of 100 is assured, Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I would like to stop this particular session. After this, immediately, don't engage yourself in some other activity in your home, right? What you do is you can keep on doing this exercise, which whatever that is available in Google Class. And Manoj and Imarashmi, you can start preparing. Tuesday, you will both of you will be submitting it. 3 days, Deepavali, right? Happy Deepavali with this exercise. Got it?
Happy Deepawalis.
Right. To all of you, right? But remember, enjoy holidays with all your relatives, friends, and all. That is important part of life, right? But remember that this exercise you will do it, right? And 3 days, when you do that, remaining days you can become very comfortable. Focus on other courses. Are you getting it?
Sir, where we should submit the PDF to you, sir?
I will tell you, right? That I'll tell you. That I'll tell you.
Okay.
Hmm? Right. Okay. Shall I stop now? Shall I stop? Shall I end the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Right? Happy Deepavali. Enjoy. Right? Do the work. start preparing for your placement and examination. Bye.
Happy Deepavali, sir.
Right, thank you. Bye.